Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's time to let down my hair. Okay, look at my hair right now, looking all crusty. I'm going to wash my hair now because it needs to be curly again. It needs to be curly right now. It's hot, so I'm going to take out my hair now. I'm gonna just take it out for you guys. I think this is about 2 weeks old now. 2 weeks old. It could serve a bit more time, but this is how my hair is looking. So it's still straight in a way. See, it looks really crazy. Like, I've been sweating it out, but I do want to get my hair straightened again. Like, don't get me wrong, like I do, but this time I'm gonna wear it like up next time when I straighten it. First of all, what I'm gonna do is treat my hair. Okay, treat my hair. I treat my hair with a Tika deep conditioner, wild cactus. If they have the egg protein deep conditioner, I will use that deep conditioner, but if not, I will use any of the deep conditioner. They're all good, but this one seems really good as well, the cactus one. So the cactus helps for weak and breaking hair, and it has garlic and coconut that help to strengthen the hair and prevent breakage, and also to nourish. What I'm going to do is use my water bottle. I'm going to fill it in with water. I'm going to use a cold water for this. Spritz it like this. Spritz it like so. Spritz. Oh, come on guys, curl up. So that's all good, but I'm gonna wash it out anyways. I'm gonna wash it out with my conditioner, but I normally condition my hair every single week when I wash it, and then I shampoo it once a month because my hair does tend to get dry pretty quickly, and I want it to like gain moisture. So me gaining moisture is me conditioning my hair so that it's soft. So I'm gonna use my Tresemme Botanic Nourish and Replenish. It has coconut oil and aloe vera, no dyes and no silicones. So this is what the bottle looks like. So I'm going to use this on my hair, but first what I'm going to do is wash it out with the water and then put this in it, scrub it, and then rinse it out. Now that I've finished, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I'm going to put the Vatika in it now. So I'm going to put a whole heap, and then I go in between my hair like so. And just put it in there. It makes your hair so soft. That's what I like about this deep conditioner. It makes your hair so soft. Like, I wish there was like a moisturizer like this as well, because it makes it so soft and so nice. And look at the curls though. Look at the curls though. It is so unified. Unified, is that even the word? I don't know, but what I mean is that the curls are just like so intact. Like, and the funny thing is that I haven't even combed out my hair either. Like, my hair is not even combed at all. There, it feels so soothing. It's so soothing to like even just comb through your hair without having to do this. Like, it's never like that at all. It literally just goes through smoothly. And then what I would do is go in between my hairs and comb it out as well, so that every strands of my hair is covered. there you have it. It's all the hair that has come out my hair. Yeah. Anyhow guys, I'm going to have a shower and I'll be right back with you guys. I'm gonna put it in a bun and have a shower. So I'll be right back guys. This is how my hair looks without any products in it after washing it. So this is the old state of my hair. I'm gonna swing around. I'm going to apply oil on my hair. The Dreeniie castor oil here. I want my hair to be very moisturized because it tends to get dry really quickly. I'm going to apply my other oil, which is oregon oil by Dreeniie as well. So what I'm going to use is the Custard gel. This is the olive oil, shea butter and black castor oil and flaxseed. I'm going to use my Creme of Nature. I love this product as well. The Creme of Nature curl and hold custard. I bought the wrong one. It's not the curl and hold, it's a curl enhancing one I think. But that one is more moisturizing than this one. I'm going to part my hair now. I'm going to be styling my hair now. I'll show you guys the finished results once I'm finished. Okay. Hey honeys, look at the curls. So I've finished doing my hair now. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn it around for you guys. And just take a turn. Okay. Okay, this is the finished look of my wash and go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you like this video.